Lemonade, a universally loved drink that refreshes us all throughout the year. So easy to make and so yummy that you can have glass after glass. And boy, do I have 4 delicious glasses of lemonade for you today. Hi everyone, this is Nandita from Foopla. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel because we keep bringing amazing stuff every week. And because Foopla family is always healthier together. I hope you enjoyed these 4 exciting lemonade flavors. Amit went mad over cranberry. I love the pani puri. Tell me which is your favorite flavor in the comments below. Share this video and subscribe to our channel here. And look at some of our other recipes here. Until next time, bye.